Hey guys, Frank Macaluso from Garageaholic. Today I want to introduce to you an expansion of our business. Now historically I do engine swaps only. It's a service, I don't sell any products. If you've seen my previous N54 into the E30 finale video, located right up there or there, depending on the angle, you'll see that I have a lot of experience working on E30s and N54s. And today I have a product that I'm going to be melding the two together, and that is a product that I have purchased from WolfTech Fab. This is an E30 N54 engine bracket set. Includes the left, the right, and the transmission bracket. These are very simple 1/4 inch hot rolled steel that has been completely mill scaled off and TIG welded together. We're gonna be offering sets of these at an introductory price of $299, shipped anywhere in the world and domestically, obviously, as well. And that introductory price will expire on January 1st of 2022, where we'll be going up to $399 rather for the set. During the integration phase of the E30 N54 that I did a couple years ago, I developed these brackets in conjunction with WolfTech Fab, and I provided him the raw prototypes, and he was able to take those prototypes and make them into a production version. And today, I now own that production version and improving upon it and making it easily obtainable in the US. As you can see right here, I've got a lot of sets basically cut through CNC plasma and basically ready for build and construction and bending. And we're gonna be continuing to produce these all throughout November and December, and we're gonna start shipping our first orders on a first come, first served basis on January 1st of 2022. Now, along with that effort is the front sump oil pan conversion, which is right here. We have the prototype basically set up here. Unfortunately, we have a lot more work to do in terms of setup and jigging and presentation and really fine tuning this to be a product that we feel comfortable selling. But the front sump oil pan conversion is coming, and it will allow your E30 to be fully bolt on. Not just the drivetrain sitting in the chassis to be bolt on, but this front sump oil pan bolts directly onto the N54 block. And what that allows you to do is allows you to actually not have to worry about subframe modifications or steering rack location modifications, which would otherwise upset your steering geometry, like bump steer and Ackerman and all those other types of things. That is a sacrifice when you're dealing with a rear sump engine swap on these cars. So this kit will be offered at an introductory price of $460 starting on November 1st, and will go into first production shipping out on February 1st of 2022 at a price of $530. Finally, I want to talk a little bit about my website updates. Not only will these products be available for pre-order in the next month, but we also have updated and new merch. We have coffee mugs, we have t-shirts, long sleeves, sweatshirts, hoodies, zip-ups. We have all different kinds and all different colors that are provided by Printify, which is basically a drop ship service that allows you to purchase the shirt in any size and any color that you want, and it gets shipped directly from the location. So please support me and support my channel, support my Instagram and Facebook by making these purchases and helping my YouTube channel grow, because it helps me to do more cool things for you and release more cool products to the enthusiast community. So having said that, guys, my name is Frank Macaluso from Garageaholic, and I am out of here. Thanks for watching.